host of things that we are tracking, but you do have an exclusive on UPL.
Absolutely. So it's a very important and interesting development that we are picking up on UPL. What we understand from our sources is that the company is looking to launch an IPO of its seeds business, which is known as Advanta Enterprises. We understand that this particular IPO could hit the bourses in early FY25 itself. We understand that the company has already gone ahead and appointed the bankers who are BofA Securities, Morgan Stanley and JM Financial, who will be managing this particular issue. We understand that UPL is actually seeking a valuation of close to $4 billion for this particular seeds business. And we also understand that UPL is looking to divest close to 10 to 12% in Advanta Enterprises via this particular IPO. What will UPL use the proceeds of this particular IPO for? Mainly for deleveraging. The company has so far missed the targets for deleveraging that it had set for itself in FY24. This will be an important step in that direction. Now, understand when we're talking about Advanta Enterprises, it's a joint venture or a partnership between UPL as well as KKR. KKR had acquired close to 13.3% stake in the company for $300 million in September 2023, and the remainder of the stake is held by UPL. Now, talking about how Advanta has done in FY23 and FY24, FY23 revenues of close to 3,560 crore, EBITDA close to 920 crore. 9 months FY24, there has been a spurt when you're comparing it on a like-to-like basis. Revenues at 3,030 crore and EBITDA of close to 893 crore versus 771 crore on a year-on-year basis. Remember, talking about UPL, debt is the key figure to track. UPL had a net debt of close to $3.77 billion at the end of December 2023. The rights issue so far, is on track, but has been slightly delayed. So this particular proceeds of the IPO will be used to go ahead and reduce the debt, and that is something that the market is keenly tracking.
Oh, yes, and that, as you said, would be the big trigger. The debt number, they've not been able to meet their guidance as well because of whatever is happening in the agrochemicals industry. So the Advanta, first they basically restructured, and Advanta was one of the segments there, and this was something which was expected, and there is a possibility it could happen in FY25 itself to deleverage the balance sheet. The stock has seen a spike from the lows of the day, up around 2.5%. With that, we